Liam bought a tablet that is 30% off. He paid £455 for it. How much was the original price of the tablet? So what do we know from this information? We know that Liam bought a tablet. He paid £455 for that tablet. The original price of the tablet is £455 plus 30% equals original price. Because Liam didn't pay the original price, he got 30% taken off it, and he paid £455. If we put the 30% back on to the £455, we get the original price. How much was this original price? Well, in percentages, we know that the original price would be 100%. So £455 plus 30% equals 100%. If we wanted to turn £455 into a percentage, we can see here that £455 in this case is going to be 70%, because 70% plus 30% equals 100%. So 70% equals £455. But we want to know what 100% is. When you get a question like this, a percentage question asking how much was the original price, most times you will have to use your knowledge of fractions. So in the back of your mind, when you see a question like this, always think to yourself, will I need to use my fraction knowledge? And most cases, nearly all cases, yes, you will. Going back to 70%, what is 70% as a fraction? 70%, of course, is out of 100, so it's 70 out of 100. Simplify this, and it is 7 out of 10. So 7/10 equals 455. As a fraction, what is 100%? As a fraction, 100% in this case is going to be, can you guess? It's going to be 10/10. So we have to find out what 10/10 is, because 10/10 is the original price. What do we know? We know that 7/10 is £455. Well, if we get 1/10 and then multiply our 1/10 by 10, we will have our original price. To get 1/10 of 455, we need to divide by 7. So 455 divided by 7, 7 into 455. 7 into 4 doesn't go. 7 into 45. 7 sixes are 42. And what is left over? 3 is left over. 7 into 35 goes 5 times. So this tells us that 1/10 equals £65. We want to know what 10/10 equals. So to get 10/10, we are just going to multiply this by 10. And that will give us our original price. So £65 multiplied by 10 is going to give us £650. And the answer is C. The original price of Liam's tablet is £650.